Supreme Court has dismissed his plea that that Lalu Prasad was seeking the transfer of the trial court judge hearing the case against him in the fodder scam. On Monday, an apex court bench of Chief Justice P. Satvasivam, Justice Ranjan Prakash Desai and Justice Ranjan Gogoi reserved the order in the case after Solicitor General Mohan Prasaran told the court that it would take the CBI nearly 40 days to complete its argument. The CBI said this in response to a pointed query as to how long the prosecuting agency would take if concluding part of the trial involving final arguments from both the sides were held afresh. And clearly this comes as a huge setback for Lalu Prasad, who said that one of in terms of this particular case, he felt that the trial would not be fair if the case was tried in Jharkhand, which is what he was trying to do. If convicted, Lalu Prasad may even be disqualified from fighting elections. The Supreme Court has dismissed his plea, where he was seeking the transfer of the trial court judge hearing the case against him in the fodder scam. Lalu Prasad had said that one of the trial court judges hearing the case is related to one of the ministers in the Nitish Kumar government. Jaskira joining us. Jaskira, clearly a huge blow for Lalu Prasad. What are the implications likely to be?
Well, the implications are very clear, Mark. We already know that just about a month ago, the Supreme Court gave a historic verdict that the conviction of any MP or MLA will, of course, make him disqualify him from the membership of him or her from the membership of a house. Now, the timeline has been set by the Supreme Court today. 5 days have been given to the CBI, which is the prosecution, to complete their arguments. 15 days to the defense to complete their arguments. So it's only a matter of maybe a month or so before the verdict actually comes out in the trial court. Now, if that comes out, and let's say hypothetically, if it is not in favor of Lalu Prasad Yadav, then of course it is going to raise a huge question mark on whether or not he will be eligible for the next Lok Sabha elections. And being the head of the RJD, it is going to have a major implication politically. Now, as far as the Supreme Court is concerned, in the second last hearing, the Supreme Court had actually made it quite clear that they were inclined towards changing the judge, but it was only in the last hearing when an intervener came in, an opposing politician who said that there's a gross injustice going on in the seeking of a retrial or seeking of a change of judge, when the Supreme Court took a neutral stand. And today they've made it quite evident that they're not in favor of his plea. They feel that the judge being related to a senior politician of the opposing government,
right,
of the Nitish Kumar government, is not grounds enough for this entire judge to be changed.